One of Brad and I's most favorite things to make at home, and it's super simple, super easy to do, is scallops. So I'm going to show you our version of how to make the just right scallop. So today we've got some North Atlantic sea scallops. Yes, they're frozen. We're here in the Midwest, landlocked. So if you can get fresh, get the fresh. Wow, these guys are looking pretty. So I'm gonna take these straight out of the bag here. I'm gonna lay them on a paper towel. Pat the scallops dry. The reason for doing this, number one, it'll help the salt and pepper stick better that we're gonna be putting on here, and allows them to cook more evenly. So we've got them all ready here. Nothing difficult so far, right? All right, so then I've got some kosher, coarse ground kosher salt here. I'm gonna just sprinkle this on top fairly liberally. And then I'm gonna take some coarse ground pepper. This is 16 mesh pepper. Not gonna be as heavy with that, but just do a little bit on each one. We really want the flavor of the scallops to come through. This helps bring out the natural yummy goodness. All right, now I'm just gonna flip them over. Now we're gonna do the same thing on this back side as we did on the front. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Okay, now we're a little bit of pepper. Now they're prepped and ready, and we'll move to the griddle. You could do this on a griddle at home. You could also cook in a cast iron skillet on top of the stove. So it works both ways, but let's talk about how to prep our cooking surface here. We've got our Hurtado Smokebox with the griddle piece dropped in. It is sitting at about 600 degrees right now at this moment. And we're gonna put some olive oil down. Smooth that around here. I'm gonna take a paper towel to just do it here. Just really wanna make sure that my scallops aren't gonna stick to it. Ooh, listen to that sizzle. Sizzle, baby, sizzle. Okay, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna set a timer for 3 minutes. We're gonna cook 3 minutes on each side, and then they'll be perfectly tender. It's hot. Okay, here we go. It's been about 3 minutes. We're gonna turn them. Oh, look at that. Oh, they're so beautiful. I'm gonna take some lemon and just squeeze right over the top of them here. This is gonna help take out some of the extra seafoody taste and really heighten the natural flavors in the scallops. Okay, now we've got 3 more minutes. All right, so it's been 3 more minutes. So now our scallops are ready to come off. Oh, so good. Beautiful golden brown. Now is the fun part. We're gonna let them set for a couple minutes, and then we get to try them. I got my fork. You ready?
I got my fork.
All right, let's do it.
Do it. These look expertly cooked.
Oh my.
They're really good.
See, guys, these are super simple, super easy, and anybody can do it. And even Max is trying to get in here. Look at him. No scallops for Max.
Why? Dogs love seafood. Boom! That's how it's done.
Mm-hmm. Excellent, baby.
Nice job, baby.
Thank you. Yum.
Max is like, damn right, yum. Give me about 12 more.
No more, Max. These are too good.